Welcome to another video on the channel. This is Chibuna Okechukwu here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask. If you have noticed or if you have observed, the very moment you install MetaMask onto your device, whether you are using a PC or a laptop, you'll notice that MetaMask comes pre-installed by default with the Ethereum mainnet network. It doesn't come with Binance, it doesn't come with Avalanche, it doesn't come with Matic or Polygon. But in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask. So follow this video to the end and you'll be able to add your Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask. By the way, if you are into affiliate marketing, make money online, passive income, entrepreneurship and side hustles, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel because it does help YouTube to recommend this particular video to other people who might like this kind of content. And before we jump straight into the video, I want to give you this exclusive bonus. So before we jump straight into the video, I want to show you this exclusive bonus. So if you are somebody that is looking to make income from home and it's something you want to do, you want to start making money online, if you are somebody that is into online marketing and you want to make money online, so I'll leave a link to this page in the description below. So just go down to the description of this video and you land on this page. You see it just like the first link. It will be the first link in the description. It will be the first link in the description below. So just come here, put in your email address. My friend James Jordan will show you home income secrets. It's going to be a packed series. It's going to be a packed tutorial on how to start generating income online from home. So that is that for this. So let's jump straight into the video. So if you want to be able to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask, the first thing to do is to actually install a Chrome browser, because MetaMask only works on Chrome browser. It doesn't work on Firefox, it doesn't work on Internet Explorer or probably Safari or any other browser that you may be using. So first of all, you have to install the Chrome browser onto your device. So that is the first step you just have to do. So go to Google, just search for Chrome browser download. Just search for Chrome browser download and click on this result here, the first result here, and you'll be able to install the Chrome browser onto your device. So that is the first step, because MetaMask only work on Chrome browser. So the next step is to install MetaMask itself. So that is the next thing. So just go to Google as well, just search for MetaMask. The right website, the right link to click on is the one that says metamask.io. So just look at it, or just go straight to metamask.io and you'll be able to install MetaMask onto your device. Please ensure that once you click on this page, check the URL to make sure that it is metamask.io. So don't fall scam of any phishing website that want to steal money from you. So the crypto space, once you send money to the wrong address, your money is literally gone. So that is the next thing to do. Then you land on a page that looks like this. Don't forget the link is metamask.io. I will also drop a link to MetaMask direct website in the description box below. So just check for it. If you don't see it, use the comment section to tell me about it and I will drop the link for you. So you will land on a page that looks like this, exactly like this. That is the page you will land on. Then the next thing to do is to click on this download button here. Either click on this or the download button at the top here. Once you do that, you will be taken to a page that looks like this. You can see that MetaMask is compatible with Chrome, it's compatible with your iOS device and Android device. But for the sake of this video, we are going with the Chrome browser, and this will enable you to use MetaMask on your device, on your laptop or on your PC. So once you are there, just click on install MetaMask to Chrome. Once you click on install MetaMask to Chrome, it will automatically take you to Chrome Web Store. It will automatically bring you to Chrome Web Store. This is how it will look like. Now you can see that mine is saying remove from Chrome. That is because I've already added MetaMask to Chrome. If this is your first time of doing it, what will be in this blue button, what will be written on this blue button will be add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. So you just click on it and follow the on-page instructions. So just click on it and follow the on-screen instruction and you'll be able to add MetaMask to your Chrome browser. And on the process of adding MetaMask to your Chrome browser, you'll be able to create an account. It will prompt you to create an account. So you need to choose a password, you need to put your email address and it will generate for you a secret key. I think there are 12 or 24 like that. So one thing I want you to know is that that secret key must not be saved on your device. It should be saved on, it must not even be saved on your phone, except maybe you want to use the one saved on your phone or on your device as a backup. You are supposed to take a pen and paper, and write it out somewhere, and keep it safe. Take a pen and paper, write it out somewhere and keep it safe. Make sure it's safe. If probably you have a savings box in your bank, go put it there. This is kind of, the money you have in the crypto space. And if you have a trusted person, a trusted third party, it could be your dad, it could be your mom, so just give it to them. Make sure that you have copies outside the one you are holding. Mind you, it must be a pen and a paper, and you save it offline. So anything you are saving online, let it be just a secondary backup. The primary backup should be saved somewhere online, written on a pen and paper. So just click on it and you should be able to have MetaMask installed on your Chrome browser. So that is that. So once MetaMask is installed, it should come up on your browser this way. If you don't see it on your browser, just go to the top, click on this icon here, and you see all the Chrome extensions you have. So just search for MetaMask and click on this pin button. You see, when I click on the pin button, it will add MetaMask to the browser. If I click on it again, it will take out MetaMask. So just click on it to add MetaMask to your browser. You can also move MetaMask here to change the position. Just look at the top here, just at the top, close to the top here. You can move it to change the position where MetaMask is. So this whole process, I want to believe you should already know if you are watching this video. This video is just showing you how to add the Binance Smart Chain network on MetaMask, or how to add the Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. So if you are watching this video, I want to believe you already know how to do all of this. So now let's go into the process of adding the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask. So just click on MetaMask. As I've already told you, by default it comes with the Ethereum mainnet network. So Ethereum is there by default. You can see there is no Binance Smart Chain here, there is no Avalanche Smart Chain here, there is no Polygon here. So we'll add the Binance Smart Chain network. And also, if you want to see a video on how to add Avalanche, how to add the Matic Polygon, how to add maybe other Phantom network, so just check the description box for other related videos in this series. So the next thing to do is to click on your MetaMask. After clicking on your MetaMask, click on this button here, on this Ethereum mainnet at the top. Click on it. Once you click on it, go to where it says custom RPC. Go to the last where you have your custom RPC, then click on it. Once you click on it, this is where we'll be able to add the Binance Smart Chain network on MetaMask. So the next thing to do is to get the information you need to fill in here. So I've already gotten the information for you. So these are the information you need to fill in there. So all you just have to do is to fill in what you have here step by step. These details will be in the description box below, so just check the description box below. So I'll just have to copy this out first. This is the one I'll copy. I will type out the rest myself. So the network name, just as you have it there, the network name as you have it. So let me just minimize this. Let me minimize what we have here. If we minimize what we have here, so let me just do that now. So just as we have, let me also minimize this one so that I will have two separate windows and I'll be able to navigate easily. So if you click on this, just as usual, click on where you have the Ethereum mainnet, click on custom RPC. The next thing to do is to type the network name. So the network name there is Binance. So I have to type everything as we have it there, Binance Smart Chain. So that is that. So we come to where we have the new RPC URL. You paste this URL there. After pasting the URL there, you go to the next box there. The chain ID is 56. So the symbol, even though it's optional, I just have to put it, is BNB. And the block explorer URL, even though it's optional, we just have to put this. That is HTTPS : double forward slash then bscscan.com. So we want to cross check. So this is https colon double forward slash bscscan.com. I think everything is correct. Everything is correct as we have it there. Then you click on save. Then you click on save. That is the next thing to do. You click on save. When you click on save, you can see that we've successfully added the Binance Smart Chain network here. So we'll click on save and we've successfully added, we just added the Binance Smart Chain network just as we have it there. So that is how to add the Binance Smart Chain network. You can see that here I already have these tokens here listed here. So if we want to want to add other tokens in the Binance Smart Chain network, so how do you actually go about it? Assuming you want to add other tokens in the Binance Smart Chain network, so how do you actually go about it? So this is how you go about it. No, this is just to add the Binance there. What if there are other tokens, there are other coins, there are other crypto under the Binance Smart Chain network that you want to add to your BNB, to the Binance Smart Chain network you already have on MetaMask? So how do you go there? The first thing to do is to go to CoinMarketCap. Let's say we'll go to CoinMarketCap and we'll search for a particular crypto that is on the Binance Smart Chain network. I've already done that, and one crypto we want to go with is a transhuman coin. So this transhuman coin, click on it. I know that transhuman coin is on the Binance Smart Chain network. By the way, this is not a financial advice. It's not a financial advice, but I will advise you to pick up this particular coin because the coin is mad. You can see the supply is just 7 billion and they have a market cap of just 6 million. So this is just nothing compared to a coin with a huge project in the medical space. So it's not a financial advice anyway. So what you just have to do, you come here where you have this Binance Smart Chain, you click on this copy address, click on this to copy it, to copy the smart contract address. You head back to your MetaMask wallet. You head back to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure that you are on the Binance Smart Chain. Make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain, not on the Ethereum, please. Make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Then you come down to where you have these import tokens. You come to where you have this import token, you click on it. After clicking on it, just paste the contract address you copied from CoinMarketCap. It should automatically populate all other informations for you if that contract address is correct. If that contract address is correct, it should automatically populate all other information. Then you click on add custom token, then you click on import token, and that is how you add tokens that are on the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask. So that is how you go about it. You can see that THC is there. That is the transhuman coin. We'll copy from here. You can see it's THC transhuman coin. When we come here, we have it there as well. So that is just exactly how you go about it. So if you want to add any other token as well, you can just search for it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and go to import token and put the contract address. If that contract address is the correct one, it should automatically pre-populate every other thing. Then you click on import token and you are good to go. So that is that. So under the assets is where you have your BNB and you have your other token, other crypto under the BNB network. So activity will be where you find all your transactions, all the transactions you've carried out on this particular wallet. You find it under activity. Of course, send is to send crypto to another wallet, and swap is to swap crypto. If you want to swap from maybe BNB to any other crypto, that is where you do. So I want to believe that this video is in-depth and you've learned one or two things as far as it relates to adding the Binance Smart Chain network on MetaMask. So check the link in the description below for all the things I've talked about. You see the information you need is in the description below. So just go there, copy it, or you pause this video and just copy it. So that is that. And if you have any question, please use the comment section, please, to hit me up. And also, if you check the description box below, I'll also make a video on how to add other network to your MetaMask, things like Avalanche, Polygon, and the rest. So that is that for this video. See you in some of my other video online. Peace out, guys.